Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful flowers from plastic bottles. First, gather your materials: a clean plastic bottle, sharp scissors, and a permanent marker. You'll also need a candle or heat gun, some floral wire for stems, and vibrant acrylic paints to add color. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated and safe for working with heat. This creative project is a fantastic way to repurpose everyday items into charming decorations. Now, let's prepare our petals. Carefully cut off the very bottom and the neck of your plastic bottle, leaving you with the smooth, cylindrical middle section. Next, slice the cylinder lengthwise to create several flat, rectangular pieces of plastic. On each of these pieces, use a permanent marker to draw out your desired petal shapes. Aim for about 5 to 7 petals per flower for a full look. With your petal shapes drawn, it's time to cut them out precisely. Once cut, we'll use a candle flame to shape them. Hold each plastic petal carefully with tweezers, about 2 to 3 inches above the flame, moving it slowly. The heat will cause the plastic to soften and curl, creating a natural, organic petal shape. Be cautious and avoid direct contact with the flame to prevent burning the plastic. To assemble your flower, carefully pierce a small hole at the base of each shaped petal. Then, thread a piece of floral wire through these holes, gathering about 5 to 7 petals together to form the flower's center. Twist the wire securely underneath to create a stem. Finally, unleash your creativity by painting your new plastic flower with vibrant acrylic paints, adding details and making it truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.